Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use dance meditation to help move the energy in and around your body. This is for those days where you feel stuck, insecure, lack of drive, lack of desires, not sure who you are and what you should do in life. Even little things like getting up and finding motivation to do something, to finish a project, to start a project, to work, or to connect with people, to express yourself. This dance meditation really helps me when I'm stuck. Just by moving my body, it helps move all that energy that needs to move. In that moment, the energy is stuck. We are energy, right? For us to be able to operate at our optimum level, we need to have energy moving in and out of our bodies freely. So when you find yourself having a low libido or too high, or you're not really understanding or comprehending anything, you get lost during conversations with friends and family, you can't even express yourself very well, or just feel enormous amount of anger and depression, not clinical depression. People think they're depressed, but they're actually not depressed. It's because the energy in your body is blocked and it needs to be released in order for new energy to come in and flush out those blockages. So this is something that you can do. As I say, it does help me a lot. What I want you to remember is I'm not a dance instructor by no means whatsoever. I love to move my body, yes, but the dance we're going to do today is not a choreographed movement or dance. It is my own movement. So go ahead and move how your body wants to move and use the space that you're in. You can do this in a private space, private room, if you don't want to be seen by anybody. But the idea here is to let go and just connect deeply with your body in the movements that your body is making. That's the only way that energy will be released and unblocked. If you're going to be rigid, there's no point. You might as well not do it. Just let go and just let your body fall and be and just relax and go with it. All right, have fun as well, because it's like being a child. Have you ever seen children dancing? Kids move. They don't care who's watching. They just move, right? So I want you to go ahead and tap into that inner child. You will be surprised just how good you're going to feel after this dance meditation. And also during, when you start feeling like you're letting go, it's just so beautiful, and you keep intensifying the movements and just tapping in more and more to that inner child. If you don't want to do this long dance meditation, there's another video that I put out in the Raise Your Vibration series. It's called Raise Your Energy, how to boost your energy. It's a simple little exercise that you can do. It's similar to the dance meditation, but it's just a quick, simple exercise. So I'll go ahead and put the video right here. Check it out if you want to do that one instead. Otherwise, let's go ahead and do the dance meditation. I hope you're going to enjoy this because it's so much fun. Let's get started. Close your eyes. Begin to stretch, allowing your body to connect with your heart and your breath. Begin to move your body and connect with the space around you as you are connecting with your body and your heart and soul. Give your body permission to lead you. Let it move freely and let whatever emotions come up for you right now lead the movement. If you begin to feel a little bit silly, you are not connecting with the present moment. Breathe in, stop for a moment, and begin to move and connect with your heart, and let your body move as it wants to. There's no room for judgment here. Let go, let loose, be free. You are free. Confront any negative thoughts that come up. Connect with them. Be present with them. Let them lead the dance as you release and let them fly away. Continue to feel the rhythm of your body as you are connecting with the present moment. Stay away from the chatter of the mind. Let the heart lead the dance. Now keep on going, keep on moving. Feel and connect with the rhythm of your body. Feel your heart open up and ready to receive all the positivity that is available to you. Connect deeply with your body. Feel as it's releasing all that negative energy that needs to go. Now when you're ready, you may lie down, take a moment, feel and connect with the ground touching your body. Begin to move slowly back into the rhythm. Stop and check in with your breath every now and then. Now go ahead and sit up. Feel the connection of your bottom to the ground. Connect to the earth. Whether you're doing this at home, in your house, feel the connection to the floor and to the earth. Bring the attention to your heart space. Start moving your arms and your shoulders, connecting with your body, your hips. Feel the connection throughout the body and just move. Enjoy this movement. Enjoy this release. Remember to move at your own pace, in your own rhythm. Connect with the core of your body. Keep it tight during this dance position. Moving your body like this allows for trapped energy to start to come up and be released. Don't be afraid to move. And don't be afraid to go where your mind and your thoughts take you. Go with it. Try not to fight the thoughts. Let them come and let them go and move with them. There is no judgment here. Just do what feels right for you in this moment. Remember to connect with the present moment. When you're ready, join me up here as we continue to move to the rhythm of our body, still connecting with our heart space and letting go of anything that we feel in this moment. At this point, you should feel a deep connection with the earth, with the air that's touching your body, with yourself so deeply. Continue, move, don't break the connection. Enjoy the freedom. You are free. Let go, release all the blocked energy through your hands, through your feet, through your breath. Just move and let it all go. Leave it all here in this space right now. Now, as we come to the end of our dance meditation, begin to slow down your movements. Move slowly. Come back into this present moment. Come back to your body. Come back to your mind. Come back to your active mind. And begin to unravel. Now take a moment to be grateful to yourself for creating this time and space for healing. Your body is grateful for this experience. You are now free. Your body is moving freely. Now breathe in positive energy as your heart is now open and ready to receive the positive abundance you deserve. Love, light, empathy. How do you feel? I feel so great right now. I love doing this, and right now I feel so relaxed. I feel like my energy is revitalized. I feel like I'm fluid and I can do anything, right? So this is something that you can do, guys, anytime. It really works wonders. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like and share this video. If you feel somebody else might enjoy this and might benefit from this, send it to them and let them go crazy finding that inner child again. Also, leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the dance meditation. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Love and light. Bye.